in the back.
Everyone else thinks it's farting, so you should probably clip it out. Everyone.
How'd that do? Oh, it came off. Okay.
Oh, it came off.
In the earlier video, I was fumbling and mumbling.
But you're not in this one.
Had a bit of wear and tear.
Oh my gosh! I'm just laughing at nothing.
No, Levi, no!
When I'm filming.
There's one there too. This guy's actually moving. He's dead now. You pull him out.
I don't think he knows what he's looking at. Yeah, that's the kind that Jonas had.
He might be.
He's the polar bear.
His mustache.
Tell us what you're doing.
I'm trying to find seashells to
If it's
make necklaces.
You gonna make necklaces out of seashells? Are you gonna show us how you do that once you collect enough? Oh, that's nice.
Check out this video if you want to see us make it.
So we went to the beach and we got really cold. We came back and I still didn't have breakfast yet before we left. So I am making, I hate to say it, but avocado toast. I am not a millennial. I don't actually even know what I am. What am I, Toby?
I don't know.
I don't know what generation I am. But I'm not a millennial, whatever anyone may say. Although avocado toast is really good if you put enough salt and add sprouts.
No.
Link to the sprouts video because that makes it better. We don't have sprouts right now because it was too humid in Louisiana and we just haven't gotten around to it now that we're in Galveston. But we are planning on making more sprouts. Then I will add that to avocado toast.
Avocado toast sucks.
No, it doesn't. It's good. And it
Avocados
helps.
are gross.
I don't care what you say. Avocados are healthy and they're fatty and they give you long-lasting energy. I just take some salt and sprinkle it on top before they're crushed. I don't know why, but for some reason this is how I feel like the order should go.
feel like feels the worst.
Fortress
And that's what
That looks like
Mountains. Adri is enjoying sunshine. Secret station.
What? You want to wash that one off too? What does that say, Jesse?
says juicy.
Beautiful.
Hey! Rat!
Come on, Beth.
I forgot my sock. Now let's go before someone steals my other one.
Somewhere it mentions a chicken. This chicken is so juicy.
My paper just
That would be Levi's mess, and that would be Levi.
that is
Everybody else like their supper?
it's great. And Levi ate my horrible.
Thanks. Toby gave it here. Levi has
Whoa! That's so juicy.
Hello, fans of Boyd Family Adventures. Today, me and Adri are walking on the beach, going towards the rest of the family that's over there, except for Mom. She's at the bus with Levi, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just walking on the beach.
The kids spent the whole morning making necklaces. Well, not even necklaces. They were just painting shells the whole time. So our picnic table is full of nail polished shells. And now they're making what looks like a sand castle. Oh, looks like it might have made a fire. Other people there.
Is that like that? So it's a lot nicer today than yesterday.
Yeah,
yesterday
it's really warm.
Yesterday was cold.
Yesterday was freezing.
Now what is it today? Like 18?
Yeah, feels like that. Which, what's that in Fahrenheit? Like
75?
45?
75.
75?
At 45, Adri's like freezing.
No, 30's freezing. 30 is freezing.
I'm pretty sure it'd be like 70.
18 would be like high 50s?
High 60s, I'd say.
Okay, fine.
We'll check.
Comment what you think temperature it is right now.
I think I'm right.
Wearing shorts,
I think I'm
Toby's wearing jeans and a hoodie.
Alright, I'm gonna check now.
We found a clam with the clam still in it. I want to take it to the kids.
Yep.
That was cute where she had Yeah.
That's the man.
I don't think one.
I said, now a cowboy now?
No. Look, it's not. I think I'm brave enough to try it.
Table. No table. You think this is an amazing bus? There's no table. Somebody failed.
I did not. I wanted you to build me a table. You haven't done it.
Well, you see, there was a thing. We had ordered an IKEA table. We built this stupid couch according to the IKEA measurements. We brought the IKEA table right here. I assembled it. It didn't fit.
Bethany just.
So now we're stuck eating on our laps like a bunch of circus animals.
Amazing doing that. I hate tables.
What we did not account for was the thickness of the tabletop of the IKEA table.
No, not the table. Oh.
No, it was the
When it folds
flaps.
The flaps, the flaps. IKEA did not tell us the dimensions of the flaps.
Really, Levi?
And you know where that table's going? The same place. Okay, to find out what that means, you gotta go watch my LED light video.
Link up here.
Which side?
Yeah, the other side. Yeah, there you go.
Link right there. Somewhere.